All right, coming back to you at Amelia Wilkes Plaza, AKA the Cabo San Lucas Plaza, located in downtown Cabo San Lucas. I'm gonna give you an update on the Montemar Pedregal condominiums, just over there, a block away. But what makes that project extremely special is the location. 1 block away, walkable to places like Invita Restaurant, Mi Casa Restaurant, the Dock Wine Bar, Cabo Coffee, sushi. Let's go check out the project. All right, come on inside. Let's go take a look. I want to show you the views from Unit 103. Check out this view. Not too bad. Let's go 1 floor above to Unit 203. Not good enough? Let's go up to 303, 1 floor above. Not quite good enough? This is Unit 403, which is also where the pool is. Check out this view. All right, that's a wrap. Montemar, 26 units, all 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom, fully furnished, turnkey, in construction. Price is starting at $380,000. That's that unit right behind me. If you want more information, contact me and wait till the next video when I go through the model unit. That's gonna be sometime in May. Until then, bye for now.